Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to day 27 of our Junk Journal January challenge. So let's grab our junk journals and our materials and a good cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's dive into another creative session for today's prompt, which is soft. Today's prompt, to be honest, was one where I did struggle quite a while, because I didn't really know what I wanted to do, but then I decided to just take a look in my materials and found this super fluffy and soft yarn to work with. But it took me a while. I thought about some fluffy and soft fabric to include, or I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and then I just decided to go wild with this soft yarn, and I made this little tassel here. And then I had a look at what I could do with a tassel in a way. And I did decide to create some flowers out of this yarn situation to kind of make it, I felt like it was really organic in a way. So I just did get out some giant pressed flower stickers. I really love those. And had a look if I could include one of those, but in the end they kind of were a bit too big for the spread, I felt like, and that's why I'm not going with that one. But I tried first, and then I really got sticker anxiety and decided to not do it for this spread, but to go with something else. But first, just add the fluff to the page, I guess. How are you guys all doing? How is your Junk Journal January challenge going so far? I'm kind of excited, but also really sad for it to be over soon. Because on one end, I'm really, really happy that we're coming to a bit of a break. Because I feel like I need some creative rest in a way. These daily edits are kind of taking a lot of time, and I think I have to slow down a bit with that. But on the other side, the creative one, it's really giving me a boost, and I'm so much more into my other sketchbooks also at the moment, so I'm really, really happy about that. Here I just decided to get out some book pages and draw some loose flower stems onto those to have just the fluffy ball of yarn as the kind of flower sticking out of it. I hope it makes sense. You will see it very soon. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below at which point in your creative journey are you at the moment. Are you ready to go hard and do some more creative challenges, or are you needing a little break? How are you all guys feeling? I would love to hear from you. Yeah, like I said, for me I'm kind of bubbling over with ideas on the creative part, but I also need a bit of rest on the editing and administrative side, so there will be my usual schedule of videos coming, so I don't want to do a giant break, just not daily content for a moment. But the daily challenge was so much fun, or is so much fun. I'm really loving it. I hope you are still enjoying it too, and can't wait to do some more creative challenges throughout 2026. This won't be our last creative daily challenge for the year, I promise. But not like last year, I won't start a new sketchbook challenge right away, because I know that would be failing 100%. I just need to focus on some other stuffs more, and I need to work. A lot is going on there as well, so I will be back just with the regular 2 videos per week, I guess, for now. But there are still a few days left, so we won't skip those. I don't know, just thought about the ongoing after the challenge at the moment. And here just adding some more flowers to the spread, and I think this page turned out really, really cute. I love this kind of graphic bold line on the book pages, so maybe I will do that in the future again soon. let's just make a second flower head to make another tassel out of the fluffy yarn, so we have some more fluffy flowers. I don't know, I really love the fluffy flower ideas. I think it turned out really tactical and gives so much depth to the journal, which is kind of fun. And also it's good that this is one of the prompts more to the end, so that the journal is now getting super chunky and bulky and not back at the start, because I feel like it's always heavy to work on something so big and bulky on the other side. So it kind of works out in my favor that I'm just now doing something so thick and heavy. Sorry for the lack of energy lately. I'm kind of recovering from a cold and fighting that one, and everything going on in the world at the moment makes my heart super, super heavy, and I'm super worried about everything going on, and it kind of feels silly to post crafting and creative videos in those days in a way. But on the other hand, like some leaders of different kind of those hard times in the past have already said, you need something to fight for to get the power to stand up against the wrong things in history, and to just have something to fight for. And I think it's the peaceful right to just live a life that you enjoy, and everyone should have the right to live his life as he enjoys it, as it is not harming any other living being. And for me, it's just doing some crafts and being creative what brings me joy in this world. So I'm trying to allow myself to do something like that, even when the times are not so good, and then you just have to figure out a way to stand up for your human rights and everyone human rights. But you need your own recharge time in a way. I don't want to go into politics as much here, as it's not part of the channel or my main topic of choice, but I just wanted to state really, really clear that for me, every human being on this planet has a right to live a peaceful life and has a right to live wherever they are. So we are all humans, and I think the worst part about it is that so many humans have forgotten that we are all humans. It doesn't matter where you are from or where you are born or what kind of family lineage you are from. We're all humans, and we're all animals in a way. So we should treat all of our fellow humans and animals and living beings on this planet with respect. And every living being has the right to the same respect for its life as we expect it to others have for our own life. thanks so much for watching. I hope you had a lot of fun with the fluffy flowers and you found some beautiful inspiration for the prompt of soft. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's creative session, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.